Well, here's exactly what you don't want to hear on the weekend from the National Weather Service in Grand Forks. More possible blizzard conditions. This time in the Devil's Lake Basin, basically, a bit west of the valley. Weather Service says uncertainty lies with the location, extent of snowfall rates, and how strong winds get Sunday afternoon. But 30 to 50% chance for near blizzard condition at times in the Devil's Lake Basin. Areas of combined high snowfall rates and strong winds could see visibilities reduced to a quarter of a mile or less. Impacts to travel anticipated on Sunday. This is due to quickly reduced visibility and accumulating snow under a strong area of intense snow as well as drifting snow causing icy spots. Take a look at the map here again. It's kind of northwest of the valley in the Langdon, Candu, and Devil's Lake area. Now, when will all this hit and who will be affected? According to their graph here, the Devil's Lake and Langdon areas will see the worst of it starting Sunday at 10 a.m. through Sunday at 7 p.m. Elevated chance of bad road conditions in the Grand Forks area, Hallock area, from Sunday at 10 a.m. to Sunday all the way through 10 p.m. So another round of snow moving through the area. I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNewZ.TV.